Here she is. She comes pre-plucked. There's the lace right there. Let me come in front so you guys can see her. That's the lace right there. That's the part in the middle part. It all depends on how you want to style it. You could hold it like a low bun, like so. Hi family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantal. Thank you so much for tuning into your best place for natural hair care, self-care, wig reviews and lifestyle. Alright loves, if you are not subscribed, please do not forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell button so every time I post new videos you are on here and ready to watch. Please guys, it really helps to grow the channel so we can grow this community. It really helps my channel grow. Thank you guys so much for your kind gesture. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, okay? Thank you so much. I really appreciate it and God bless you for doing that. Happy holidays y'all. So today's video is all about the gorgeous synthetic wig that I got from the Sensational What Lace collection. So this is the butter lace right here. It says, oh, sorry. It says right here, the butter lace unit 9. I got it in the color T2BG. That is the burgundy color. There's other colors you can see right here at the back. It's got different variations of colors you can choose from, and it says right here that it's a wide parting and ear-to-ear lace, and it's virtually undetectable. It's a HD lace, guys. So let's see how she is going to suit us, and let's see how she is going to give what it says it's going to give. So this is the wig right here. This is how it looks straight out of the pack right here. Super duper gorgeous. So I got this color because I know it's the holidays. So there it is. So that's the lace right there in the front. Oh, I love the parting. I'm really loving the parting right here. See? Parting is good. There's the lace right there. Let me come in front so you guys can see her. That's the lace right there. She comes pre-plucked. That's the parting, the middle parting right there. Beautiful HD lace. You see skin, my skin is gonna appear white a little bit on my skin, but it's okay. We can fix that by applying my color foundation, or can go ahead and just tint the lace. And got lace on the side, ear to ear. The cap size is pretty large. This is how it looks from the inside. It's got right there 2 combs in the front and 1 comb at the back right there. The cap size is pretty breathable right there. Yeah, I think that's it. And it's an ear to ear. It's got ear to ear lace. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this adjustable straps that it got and hook them together because my head is small. Go ahead and try, because my head is medium and large in the middle. That's my cap size. On 22, apply that. So nice. Okay. We're sitting right where it's supposed to be. So I'm just gonna try her on like this, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and, ooh, I'm loving the curl. I'm about to get chic-ified. I'm about to get cuter for the holidays. I'm about to get cuter. Let's cut the lace, okay? And see how she's gonna. Oh, the lace is soft, guys. This is soft. Okay. Definitely feel the silk texture. All right, let's turn it off. Alright y'all, so with this hair, you can either wear it glueless like this, just putting the adjustable strap at the back, and it's just gonna snug in and just hold your head, hold everything down. That's option 1. Option 2, you could go ahead and use a got2b spray to, if you want to feel really secure, to secure your wig down, you could just use a got2b spray and just spray this part, this front part, right here. Oh, before I go ahead and I want to secure it more, before I go ahead and do that, let me go ahead and use a foundation powder that's close to your skin color and just use that in the front, and that's gonna cancel out this white snake of the lace. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this contour powder I bought from Mochi, that on the lace. Alright, now that we've got that in, I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig back on so you see the difference. Now it's close to my skin tone, so that you must do this if you don't want your wig to appear white. It's gonna appear as if you bleached the knots, but you haven't. This is synthetic wig. You can't bleach the knots, so you can only tint the lace, or you use a powder foundation that's close to your skin tone. There you go. I don't like when you put on wig that the parting is in the middle. It's not good to bring it right to the front like this, way to the front, like right here. No, you have to put it back, push it back so it looks natural. I think there is good. Yeah, right there. Better. To be more secure, you could go ahead and use a got2b spray if you have one, but if you don't have, or you could go ahead and use the olive spray. There are lots of different sprays out there you could use. Just use one that's works best for you. If you want to lay baby hairs, which is optional, it's all up to you how you like to style your hair. I'm just gonna use this black got2b gel to lay maybe a little bit of baby hair. Just do a little swoops and see how that is going to turn out. Okay, so right now you could wear her like this, no gluing it down, and it's going to work just fine. But since I want it to look more real, I'm just going to go ahead and take out a little bit of baby hairs right here, just little, and just do a little swoops to get it, then melt this lace into my skin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do those right now. I'm afraid to comb her yet, so I'm just finger combing. Doing baby hairs is optional, it's all up to you. I just want to have a little something right here, just a little swoop back there. So I'm gonna do the same this other side. With my baby hairs, before I take them out, I use this side of the arch of my eyebrows, and just right here I just use this comb and move out. If you find it difficult to know where to take out baby hair, this method can help you, guide you to it. I mean, I know, please, this might be a lot for some people. I might anyway. It's all up to you how you want to wear your hair, so for me it's okay. And to cut it, I bring it when it falls on top of my brows, and I cut unevenly. There you go. So you get notified each time I post new videos, guys. So your subscription goes a long way to really help my channel grow. As always, love you all, and thank you all for your kind gestures. Thank you all so much for all my subscribers who have been watching all my videos. Thank you all so much, and God bless you all for me. And if you know I inspire you, if I encourage you, please do not hesitate to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys. Love you all. Thank you all so much. laid flat right here at the back, like this too. It's still good. You can still rock it like this, okay? You can still rock the hair like this. This is another look for sure. Okay, I haven't brushed it out, so it's just my hands. It's short. She's short tangles. She's beautiful, but she tangles. So that's the warning, the red flag. I'm gonna let you know. She short tangles. So I've been trying to take some pictures for the thumbnail of the hair. She definitely tangles up. So I bought this wig from the beauty supply store. She was $52.99. So it's, let's say, $53 plus tax. That should be about $55 for this hair. So now with other vendors, like online, you could order it online from Sam's Beauty and Ebony Line or Wesky's Hair. The prices vary with each vendor. So if you type the name of this hair, this butter lace from the Sensational collection, it's definitely gonna pop up on Google, giving you a different price range of the hair. So, but the price range of the hair is from, let's say, $45 and up. So that's what you could get. So, but this one I bought it from the beauty supply store, and the beauty supply store, sometimes the prices of wigs are much more higher there, except maybe when they have like sales. You can go ahead and have affordable prices for wigs over there. So it's always affordable. It's always good to buy. Sam's Beauty is very affordable. So if you could get your wigs from there, that would be cool. But most of the times, wigs are always sold out and websites like that. Okay. So another downside of this wig is it's just a wig that you could, if you're going for like this period, like the festive period, this holiday period right now, with this color, bam, you're good to go. For long wear, no. She's short, tangles up, and I haven't brushed her out. So just imagine if I brush her out, maybe it's gonna be worse. So I've just been using just my fingers. So the feel of it, it's more on the silk side. Yeah, it feels more silk. And yeah, I think that's all I could say about her. Yeah, for the parting, I love the parting and the lace. It's giving it what it's supposed to give. It says wider parting and ear lace. And yeah, it's an HD lace. So there you go. It gave what it's supposed to give right there. Beautiful. But it wouldn't last, girl. It wouldn't last. So let me just tell you that. Synthetic hair don't last. But what I love about synthetic hair is it comes styled for you. All you need to do is learn how to lay it down so it mimics or looks like human hair, and you can still look a body with a synthetic wig. Yeah, and if you don't know how to style hair, this is already styled for you. That's one thing I love synthetic hair. So I might want to go out for a date night or an event, and if you're like me, I like to find my outfit, like the way I dress, with the kind of hair I'm gonna have on. So this definitely is a look for sure. So there you have it for the holiday. Butter lace, you need 9. So I got it in the color T2BG. That's burgundy color. There she is. Comment down below and let me know how you feel, how you think the hair is. We've got it in different colors. You could go ahead and have that. So if you're someone who wants a hair that you want to go out for an event, definitely try this. For the holidays, definitely try this. But I'm gonna let you know, she is big head friendly, and she is also gorgeous. The curls are gorgeous. Okay, this is also another look. You can put it to the side if you want to. but it's already, this is only a few hours, it's already ballooned up right there, and it feels a little bit heavy, light. I don't know, when I took it out of the pack it was feeling light, but the lace was definitely soft. She is cute. I think it's alright, y'all. Stay blessed. Happy holidays, y'all. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Thank you all to all my subscribers. Thank you all and love you all. Keep the love coming. I appreciate all your time for being there for me, always watching my videos. I really appreciate. As always, love you all. Bye guys. God bless and take care. Happy holidays, guys.